Good morning guys, in front of me is REDMI Pad SE and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button and hold it. Keep holding.
Hi.
And now once you see the logo, you can remove your finger from power button and wait just a few more seconds till your phone, till your tablet is rebooted. And that's it. Now you can smoothly unlock your device by swiping and use it in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.